Hey, Mike Kinderleiter here with Powerwash.com and Powerwash University. We're standing out front of the building here with Jackson. Jackson, you came all the way down from Arkansas here to Fort Worth, Texas to get a machine from us.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me about a little bit about your experience in choosing this piece of equipment and how you dealt with the staff and what that was like for you.
So when I first walked in, you know, you're not just standing around. Customer service was absolutely great. Cody was the first one that came and talked to me, and he asked what I needed. And last week I made a phone call saying, hey, I'll be down Tuesday morning to pick up the Maverick Delux, which I'll be using a lot for a bunch of roofs and vinyl siding. But everyone here, it's not just about work. I mean, it's kind of like a team effort around here. Like, everyone works together, and they treat you really, really, really well with everything. So, but I'm pretty excited about it. They've got pressure hose, female millions, soap, detergents. It's all great.
Yep. And you've been in business for 7 years now, right?
This August will be 7 years.
We were just talking about that and how much you enjoy being in the power washing industry and having your self-employment history and your freedom, so to speak, to run your business.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's great. Absolutely.
And tell me, what did you do before you got into power washing?
So my dad's best friend, he's got a logging company, and they've got a shop, and when equipment, skidders, loaders, cutting machines, when all that come in, they need to be washed before they could work on them, and I did that for a solid year. And then when my dad came home with a mobile washer, like a trailer, he had a surface cleaner out, and right when I walked outside and I saw the difference in the concrete, that's when I had about a million ideas pop into my head, and now I'm here.
Oh, that's
now
awesome!
I'm here.
That's awesome. Just apologize for the traffic noise in the background. We're out front of the building. But talking about, when I told you I used to make trips up to my grandparents, right?
Right.
We were talking before the video about North Central Arkansas. I used to go see my grandparents a lot as a kid, and I spent summers up there. I actually worked in the logwoods, as we called it growing up. And I marked the logs for my grandfather before he cut them.
Absolutely.
I had an 8-foot stick, and I'd go from one section to the next. And this is completely off topic, but I like sharing stories. So at the beginning of the summer, I'm marking logs, and my grandpa's sawing, and the sawdust is coming back in my face. And as time goes on, and toward the end of the summer, I get a little more bolder and bolder because I'm getting frustrated. And I start talking under my breath, and toward the end of the summer, I start cussing pretty loud, and my grandfather hears me. And needless to say, I got in a lot of trouble.
Oh, yeah.
But tell us real quick, what'd you get here in the back of the truck?
So right here, that's just some female melon connector pressure hose. This is apple blossom. It kind of knocks out the bleach smell when you're spraying it. And then sap it is just another detergent. And then what I've got here is the Maverick Delux. It's a 12-volt system, 7 gallons per minute, 100 psi. It's mainly for washing. To me, it's mainly for washing roofs. You don't put any pressure on the shingles, and you could also use it for house washing, vinyls, stucco, gutters, eaves. You know, it's a really great setup. I've had my eye on one for about 2 months now, and my buddy Tyler came down here, or he didn't come down here, 3 weeks ago he ordered one. We tested it out last week, and I said, I gotta go get one. So I made a trip down to Fort Worth. So if you ever need anything, that's the people to call right there. So.
But I tell you what, Jackson, I can't say enough about how honored I am that you came all the way down from Arkansas, drove down here to get your piece of equipment.
Absolutely.
To expand your power washing business and get into the soft washing. So,
hey, no problem.
And keep in tune, because we got a lot more new things coming out and rolling out down the line. So, okay?
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, man.
Hey, thank you.
Appreciate you doing this interview with me, too.
Hey, no problem.
It means a lot.
No problem.
Thank you. Now I just got to see how to turn it off. There we go. Well,
yeah, that's
I'm
crazy
blinded.
that
I can't
you
see. All right, that works. All right, let's walk inside so I can see what I'm doing, because it's still. I got to figure out how to turn this thing off.
I think you're still live.
Yeah, I am. I don't see the button. All right.
We're still live.
Share. Yeah, I'm still live. So I just got to figure out how to turn this off. Well, I guess you just hit the X. Are you sure you want to stop streaming?